Hey there! If you're curious about hedge funds and want to know what they are in just 3 minutes, you've come to the right place. So let's dive right into it. First things first. What exactly is a hedge fund? In simple terms, a hedge fund is an investment fund that pools capital from accredited investors or institutional investors and invests in a variety of assets, often with complex strategies. Now you might be wondering, how is a hedge fund different from a mutual fund? Great question. Unlike mutual funds, which are generally available to the public and highly regulated, hedge funds are typically less regulated and can engage in a broader range of investment activities. This can include leveraging, short selling, and derivatives trading. Let's talk about the people behind hedge funds. The hedge fund managers. These are highly skilled professionals who use their expertise to try to generate high returns for their investors. They often charge a management fee, which is usually around 2% of the assets, and a performance fee, which can be about 20% of the profits. But it's not just about making money. Hedge funds also aim to hedge against market risks, hence the name. They do this by using various strategies to protect the fund against downturns in the market. Now let's break down some common hedge fund strategies. 1. Long-short equity. This strategy involves taking long positions in stocks expected to increase in value and short positions in stocks expected to decrease. 2. Market neutral. Aiming to avoid market risk by taking offsetting long and short positions in related securities. 3. Global macro investing based on broad economic and political views of entire countries or regions. 4. Event-driven. Investing in opportunities created by events like mergers, acquisitions, or bankruptcies. Investing in hedge funds can be lucrative, but it's important to remember that they carry significant risks and are not suitable for everyone. They require a substantial initial investment and are generally recommended only for experienced and accredited investors. So there you have it. A quick rundown of hedge funds in just 3 minutes. Got any burning questions or finance terms you'd like explained? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to dive into them in future videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more finance insights. Catch you next time.